Did you know that paprika is not just a flavorful spice, but also packed with numerous health benefits? This vibrant red spice is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being. From boosting immunity and improving digestion to promoting heart and eye health, the benefits of paprika are plentiful. It even possesses potential anti-cancer properties and aids in weight loss. Now that's what we call a super spice. Let's dive deeper into these health benefits, shall we? First off, paprika is rich in antioxidants. It's packed with carotenoids that protect our cells from damage by free radicals, contributing to our overall well-being. But that's not all. Paprika also supports our immune system with its generous vitamin C content, helping our bodies ward off infections and illnesses. Now let's talk about inflammation. Some studies suggest that paprika may have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate inflammation in the body and potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases. Paprika also plays a role in digestion. It stimulates the production of gastric juices, aiding in digestion and promoting a healthy digestive system. It may even help relieve indigestion and bloating. When it comes to heart health, paprika doesn't fall short either. The capsaicin in paprika can help lower blood pressure and improve circulation, supporting a healthy heart. The antioxidants in this vibrant spice may also contribute to lower cholesterol levels. But what about our eyes? Paprika has that covered too. It contains beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. These compounds can help protect our eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Moving on to the potential anti-cancer properties, some studies suggest that the antioxidants in paprika may help prevent the growth of cancer cells. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, paprika might be your new best friend. Its capsaicin content can boost metabolism, aiding in weight loss and management when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Paprika is also a good source of vitamins A, E, and K, as well as iron and potassium, providing essential nutrients for overall health. As for skin and hair health, the antioxidants in paprika can help protect the skin from damage, promoting healthy, radiant skin. Vitamin E in paprika promotes healthy hair growth and strengthens hair follicles. Lastly, paprika has been traditionally used to alleviate pain, especially in conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness, when applied topically. And those are just some of the many health benefits paprika can offer. So, how can you incorporate this wonder spice into your diet? Well, paprika is a versatile spice that can be added to a variety of dishes. From soups and stews to marinades and rubs, its vibrant color and rich flavor can elevate any meal. But remember, not all paprika is created equal. Opt for high-quality paprika to ensure you're getting the most out of its healthful properties. Incorporating paprika into your diet can be a simple and tasty way to boost your health. Give it a try and see the difference it can make.